Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 school teaching job vacancies in Dubai and Ajman. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.almarafps.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page, Al Maraf Private School. In this main page also they are showing one flyer, that means Al Marif Private School offering 21-22 school year academic teaching job vacancies. If you want to see the flyer, you can click this flyer and you can download. You can get what are the teaching job vacancies for 21-22. So elementary math teacher, English and PE and Arabic substitute teacher, KG and elementary classroom assistant. Then middle school English, mathematics, science. The high school English teacher coordinator, mathematics, geography, and middle and high school girls PE teacher, science lab technician. So these are the vacancies for academic year 21-22. Must have teaching credential, that means your degree and BEd and IELTS. So email your CV to careers@almaref.ae. So this is the way you have to send your CV careers@almaref.ae. Otherwise, if you want to see the job vacancies in career page also, so here menu available, one of the option careers. If you click this link careers, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies in careers page. Already we saw that what are the vacancies for 21-22 academic year. If you wish to apply, you can click here to apply. If you click this link, you can get one application form. This application form should take approximately 10 minutes to complete. There are only 14 sections, that is objective type questions only in this application form. You can fill and you can submit your job application form. First one is full name, nickname, nationality, email ID, phone number. Applying for academic or admin, you can select academic. Which subject are you going to apply? You can, it depends upon your subject, you can enter here. Then you are going to select elementary or middle school, high school, you can select qualification level. Here red color asterisks are mandatory, so before submitting your application, please check whether it's filled or not. So major subject, valid IELTS certificate, how many years of experience, how did you hear about these vacancies. Then you can click here next. If you click this link, you can get final answer, that you kindly send your CV and IELTS certificate as following, option 1 and option 2. So you can select, then you can submit your application. Once you have submitted, you can get acknowledgement via email. They will provide what are the things in your email. So after that you can continue with the process. The school will communicate with all the details. So this is the way you have to submit Al Marif Private School job application form. If you have any doubt about this job application, you can comment, I will reply to you. So make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification, job description, etc. So these are the vacancies. The second one is, you can enter in the URL casdubai.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get Collegiate American School. In this school, menu available in right corner. If you click this link menu, you can get about us. Here one of the option careers. If you click this link careers, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Collegiate American School, Dubai. So here vacancies for academic year 21-22, they are currently accepting application for the academic year for the position listed below. Teachers are invited to submit their full CV along with the confirmation of IELTS course for non-native English speakers, confirmation of teaching license and or qualification, and contactable references. 2 years teaching experience is required, and international baccalaureate or American curriculum experience, that means IGCSE experience also they can prefer for all the position. So already they are given all the details here. Elementary school vacancies, earlier teachers, classroom teachers, and secondary school fixes biology, chemistry, mathematics, English, literature and composition, social studies, humanities, IB design technology. So these are the vacancies for secondary school. The whole school, music, physical education, Spanish, Arabic and Islamic B teachers, college counselor, French teacher. So these are the vacancies for whole school vacancies. If you are interested these job vacancies, you can send your CV careers@casdubai.com. So here they are mentioned, candidate applying to Collegiate American School should forward their comprehensive CV to careers@casdubai.com. So please indicate the position applied for in the subject of your email. So what they are given here, before sending your email, you can mention which subject are going to apply. You can mention in your email subject line. So however, only shortlisted candidate will be contacted. So please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. So this is the way you have to apply Collegiate American School. The third one is, you can enter in the URL www.bisuae.ae. So this is one of the Ajman school. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page, British International School. In this main page, vacancies available. If you click this link vacancies, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for British International School. This is one of the leading British school in Ajman. So they are inviting application from qualified and experienced teaching professional with good communication skills, having minimum 2 years of experience in British curriculum, otherwise international curriculum, to apply for the following application. So what are the vacancies? Foundation stage and kindergarten teachers, teaching experience 2 to 5 years with 2 years diploma in UIFS. Primary teachers, English, Science, Urdu, Islamic Studies, Homeroom and Arabic. Middle school teacher, English, Mathematics, Science, Urdu, Islamic Studies, Arabic. IGCSE and A-level teacher, Physics, Chemistry, Biology and Economics. So what are the qualification required? Primary and middle school teacher, graduate with B.Ed. IGCSE, postgraduates with B.Ed having experience of teaching in IGCSE or ICSE curriculum school. So if you are interested in these vacancies, you can email their resume hirings.ajmanschool@gmail.com. So like that you can send your job application. Before sending your email, you can mention your application, that means your subject, which subjects are going to apply. You can mention your email subject line, which subject are you going to apply. So this is the way you have to submit your job application. If you want more details about these school job vacancies, you can check it in the menu. You can get it from menu itself. What are the curriculum they are following, what is the school, how they are offering the programs for school. So everything you can get it from in the menu. So if you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you have any doubt about these job vacancies, you can comment. I will reply to you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.